දෙවනතුව කියා දෙනි ඈ මියඩු. ఇంకా ఫురతమ అడుగు వాహక అడుగు హాలం.
The Smith family is going on a picnic. The children help their mother pack the food. Adam packs the apples. Annie helps to make the jam sandwiches. At last, they are ready and set off for the picnic. When they arrive, they sit down, spread out a cloth, and lay the food on it. Annie rubs her arm. "Something is tickling me," she says. "Something is tickling me too," says Adam, eating his apple. Annie shouts, "Ah, ah, ah, ants!" They all look at Annie and see some ants crawling up her arm. They all jump up. There are ants all over the picnic cloth. "Oh dear," says Dad. "We must have put our cloth over an ant's nest." They pack up their things and move to a nicer spot.
ವಾಹಕ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫವಾಹಕ ಗುಳೆಗೊತ್ತು ಕುದಿನ್ನ ವಾಹಕ ದಕ್ಕಾಲಂವಾಣೆ ಮಿವಾಹಕ ಕಿಯಾದಿ ಫಹಾಲೆವಿದಾಣೆ ಕೋಚಂಗೆ ಎನಿಗೆ ಅತಂ ಎರಿ ಏರಂ ಕುಜ್ಜಾಗೆ ಜವಾಬಕವ್ವಾನಿ ಎಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿಗೊತ ಸುವಾಲ್ ಕುರಾರ ವಿಸ್ನವ್ವಾಣೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕುರಾ ಅಡು ಬೇನುಂ ಕುರಂ ಜೆಹೆ ಬಹೆ ಕುಜ್ಜಾಗೆ ಜವಾಬಕಂ ಅಣ್ಣ ಗೊತ್ತ ಸುವಾಲ್ ಕುರಂ ಮೇಡುಗೆ ಹರಕಾತಕಿ ಎಂಗತುಗೆ ಉಳಂಬೊಟ್ಟಾ ದಿಮಾಲ ಅಣೆಂಗತುಗೆ ಇಂಗಿಲಿತಕೊಂ ಹೀನಿ ದುವಾಗೊತಂ ಮಚ್ಚಂ ಅರಮುಂ ಆ මිහෙන් කියුම් හරකක් කුජ්ජාලව්වා කුරුවාෆා දෙන් ලව කියුවානේ හරකාතා එකු
answer my yam answer my yam answer my yam they're causing me alarm
efo kiyadeni akuruge battan kiyaderu migotan akuru liyam wa goy kujja dakkam wan akuru wagetere liwmafa kurimvis kiyadin gota akuruge battan liwwani veli nuata clay kala ecche beenon koggen adi sound fatuga akuru liwwalane miyadu kiyaderu kujjalawwa heddidane activity ta furatama ant ga kula jassandene efa kuriga kiyadin adu kiyuwafa miyaduge adu kiyandene mifaru akuru dakkafa kujjaya suwa kurane mi kon aden he rangala nubudevenya ehiteri wanwane timwane deni mi activity migen fennani arrow ant apple adi tree kujja suwa kurane mibastakun a miyadu oti kon adek gato efo eyadu nebbahuge tasviruga nubafaha galambunane emme fahu harakataka akuru liwwane mifaru liwwairu es akuruwes liwwanwane liyamun dairu adu kiyamun liyambunane egotum e akuru liyaru a es akuru liyaru mihen kiyamwane